Welcome back to IT Code channel. In this new video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on your PC. Maybe you have a new PC and the language on your PC is not your favorite language, or maybe you are learning a new language and you want to set up this language on your PC. Here in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before we start, please consider to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Then come on, let's get started. To change language on your PC, here from the bottom left corner on the Start menu, search about Language Settings. If you cannot find these options, you can actually go to the same window from Settings window, search about Settings, click on Settings, then select Time and Language section. Then here from the left-hand side, select Language tab. Under Language tab, you can actually change the language on your PC. Here in this drop-down list under Windows Display Language, you can select your own favorite language. If you cannot find your favorite language here because you are not added as your preferred language. Here on my PC, I already have 3 languages, including English, Arabic, and Chinese. To add a new language as your preferred language, click on Add a Language, then search about your favorite language. Let's say I want to search about Spanish. You can find many options, select your proper option. Let me select the first one, then click on Next button. Here you have to check these boxes on to download all required packages. And you have to be sure that your PC are connected to the internet. Also, if you want to set up this language as your Windows Display Language, you have to check this box on. Set as my Windows Display Language. Then here on the bottom, click on Install button. Now you can see the language is added as your preferred language and it's waiting for installation. As you can read here, please wait while the language finish installing. This could take a few minutes. This process actually is to download and install all the required packages for the new language to be installing on your PC. You have to wait until this installation process finished successfully. After that, you will see this dialog telling you that you have to restart your PC to finish installation. I will not restart my PC right now, but if you restart your PC, you should find that the new language has been installed on your PC. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That's really make a huge difference for me. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to receive our new videos. If you have any question or suggestion, you can leave your comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.